I'll join it like this. Okay, make sure it's tight. I'll cut the sharp edges using this wire cutter. Now I'll use roller to roll this pipe thinner. And press it like this. Make sure it is pressed like this. Now slowly remove it. Don't let it become any loose. It should not be loose. And place another pipe cleaner. Make it tight like this. Now cut the extra part. Now I'll repeat and stick it. Now let's stick this like this. You have to stick it. One by one we will stick it properly. Okay. Now join entire flower. Now it looks it should be like this. You have to reshape it like this. So now let's make flower using green pipe cleaner. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, another one 5. We'll cut remaining extra part. That's fine. Let's give shape for this flower. 5 petal flower. Slightly press it and rotate it like this. So it's amazing and beautiful flower. Now for this I'll use a red bead. I'll apply little bit of glue gun and I'll stick this bead over this. I'll apply glue using glue gun and I'll stick it. I hope you will like this. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos and comment below for more ideas or for more suggestions.